Jack, the project leader of the IASO medical device project, uses the Aura project management competence to ingest a static file-based project schedule and intelligently generate a project virtual twin on the 3D Experience platform. Aura quickly generates a project health report highlighting KPIs, saving Jack the time he would otherwise spend manually building a report. Jack interacts with Aura in natural language to identify team members to be assigned to project tasks. Aura makes suggestions to the project leader, intuitively guiding the next steps to be performed. Jack then optimizes tasks on the critical path by redistributing workload to foster project success. Using Aura Project Management, project teams can unleash their innovation potential by transforming project execution.